How to delete your Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete the Telegram account easily. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy. However, what you'll have to know is you can't do so on the application. There is no any option to delete your account on the app itself. So what you want to do is you want to head into your Chrome browser or any other browser and you want to search in for Telegram delete account. So simply tap on Telegram delete account or search in Telegram delete account and you'll get this link, that is my.telegram.org. You can head directly into this link as well by simply typing in my.telegram.org. So tap on the link there and you can see here it'll ask you your phone number. You want to enter in your phone number along with your country code here. So here, once you enter in your phone number, simply tap on next and it'll ask you for confirmation code. Now what you need to remember is that the confirmation code will be sent to your Telegram app on your account. Here you can see web login code. So basically you want to copy this code and paste this code there. So here you can see I have logged in. Once you're logged in, if you zoom in here, you will see the option delete account. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down below, you will see delete my account option. Simply tap on it and your account will be deleted permanently. So this way you can delete your Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.